What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Michelle. I'm super excited today. iMethod Beauty reached out to me and they sent me over their eyebrow stamp and stencil kit in PR. So I just want to say thank you so much to iMethod Beauty for reaching out and sending this over to me. Now this is actually the second thing that they've sent to me in PR. The first thing that they sent to me was the eyeliner wing stamps. Them things are amazing and I love them. This is what the eyeliner looks like. You get two of them. One end is your regular eyeliner and your other end is actually your stamp. I already did a video on this and I will link that down in the description box in case you guys want to check that out. Again, really love that product. It's amazing. So like I said, they reached out to me and they was like, hey, would you like to, try another product? And of course I was like, yes, I want to try that eyebrow stamper. I'm super excited for this. Okay. Like I said, they sent it over to me about 10 days ago. So I've had a little bit of time to play around and try this product. So first of all, you're going to get this. And once you unscrew this and open it up, this is your like pomade in here. And this is your little stamper. This is what you're going to use to stamp your eyebrow with. Mine's in the color 2. I don't know if I said that already, but I got the color 2. I like my eyebrows to be dark though. The stencils. Now you're going to get two different sets of stencils. You're going to get these ones, which are like stiff. They're pretty hard. And then you also get these, which these are like really soft, flimsy ones. You have a ton of different options, okay? So if you don't have a very good eyebrow shape or you're not sure how to shape your eyebrow in a certain way that you would like, you could always go through, figure out which eyebrow shape you liked, put it on, stamp it out, and then pluck or groom the hair that is outside the lines so that it would help you shape your eyebrow however you wanted it. I personally like my shape of my eyebrow. So the closest one that I found is this one, which is classic, and this is in the soft stencil. Now, with the soft stencil, you can't press too hard because if you press down too hard on it, it kind of like separates and causes it to like gap open more than what you need it to. So just gently hold it on the top. And what I like to do, because obviously this is not going to be a direct fit to your eyebrow, so I'm going to start at the arch because I want my arch to be right. And I'm going to start on this eyebrow because this is my good eyebrow. This one never gives me a problem. This one always gives me a problem. You know what I mean? Like, why? Can you just cooperate? And also it comes with a slanted brush and spoilie, which I did enjoy that. I'm glad it came with that. So I'm just going to place this where I want my arch. Like here. And I'm not going to put a whole lot of pressure on it because like I said, when you put too much pressure, it like gaps open too wide and doesn't sit right. And then you're just, I like to start kind of in the middle and work my way out. Would totally recommend you doing this before you apply any other makeup. And then you have like the perfect eyebrow. Like, isn't that insane? But of course, you only get one of these, one classic shape. So you have to flip it over, and of course you got a bunch of product on here. So just get you a cloth, an old cloth. I have like a spray makeup remover, brush cleaner. I just spray on the stencil and then wipe it clean. So that way I'm not getting all of this over here. For the second eyebrow, I like to close it up and then reopen it because it's like once you close it and twist it, it gets a little bit more of that product on there. Now, right now, my eyebrow looks very harsh, okay? It does look harsh, but once we get the rest of our makeup done, it's not gonna look this harsh, so it'll be fine. You just have to like trust the process on this one. And if you go like too far out, like of course this is like too far out for my eyebrow, you don't have any other makeup on, so you can just easily take a wipe and wipe it wherever you prefer it. But this is like the best, easiest way to get your eyebrows done, like so quick. It's insane. Like I said, at first I was like, ooh, I don't know. Like the first time that I used it, I was like, oh my God, that did not work the way that it was supposed to. But it was a user error and not a product error. So again, same thing over here. Line up your arch. I start in the middle, dab it all the way out, and then all the way to the front of it. I mean, isn't that like the perfect eyebrow? I know, it does look super scary right now though. It's very dark. I like to take the spoily and spoily through them because this is like a pomade. And girl, trust me, once we get everything done, it's gonna look really good. That's why I said just trust the process. Do your eyebrows first. They're gonna look a little dark, a little intimidating at first, but once we get the full face on, it's gonna be like 10 times better. So now I'm gonna go in with some hard candy primer. Now I'm gonna go in with some e.l.f. Camo CC cream in the shade Light 240. Now I'm going to go in with some e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and this is in the shade Tan Walnut. Now I'm going to use the e.l.f. Halo Glow to set everything. Now I'm going to go in with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Now I'm going to go in with the Burt's Bees blush in Toasted Cinnamon. Now I'm going to go in with my Coffee to Glow. I love this little palette from Essence. It's so like quick, easy to use. And now I'm going to go in with the No Budge Retractable Eyeliner from e.l.f. in black and put that in my waterline. Now I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. highlighter in Rose Gold. And then I just filled my lips in with the LA Colors Matte Lips. This is in the shade Beloved. And I'm going to top it off with the Essence Extreme Shine. This is in Milky Way. Now I'm going to coat my lashes with the e.l.f. Big Mood Mascara in black. And now I'm going to finish my makeup off with some e.l.f. setting spray. Okay, you guys, so that is the completed look. Let me know what you think about this IMETHOD Beauty eyebrow stamp and stencil. I think that it's pretty cool. It works really well. Like, I don't mind it being dark. Now, if you didn't want your eyebrows to be like so full coverage in the front, you don't have to like press as hard as I do. I just prefer my eyebrows to be like full all the way through. I don't like the ombre where it's like super light at the beginning and it gets darker as it goes. I just like my eyebrow to be like one color all the way through. So whatever you prefer, if you prefer something a bit lighter in the front, you just don't press as hard, just use a little less product than I did. But overall, I really think that this stencil is pretty easy to use. I would definitely say give it a try. Really does work. I think that it looks good. My eyebrows match on each side. It didn't take me forever to do. Like, it's literally just hold it up here and stamp it on. It is amazing. I do love it. And I just want to say one more time, thank you so much, IMETHOD Beauty, for sending this out to me. And if you're not already subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.